Hello. Okay. So firstly, we have to be open the link whatsapp.byterole.com.kw. Once we open the page, this is the portal will come up. You have to put your username and the email address. Sorry, username and the password. Just continue. After continue, you log in your portal. You can see your the main project title, the number WhatsApp number registered, and this is the basic plan which you registered. And status means verified means already your number is verified and link with your API. You have to just click the view. Once you view it, there's the main dashboard page open. As you see that there is the company name on the right side. It's showing the WhatsApp API. Okay, here it's the WhatsApp business API status showing live the quality rating. This is very important. The quality rating should be always high. For example, sometimes what's happening whenever you send a broadcast message to the client, and then some of the clients are not interested, or by mistakenly they mention that the spam. So your quality rating by from the meta side it from decrease from high to low or the medium. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to be wait for another 7 days, 1 week or 10 days, and then after that you are able to send the messages. And then this is the remaining quota means like the initially when you register it by default meta approve with the 1000 limit, but as far as if you are sending the message, then it will increase by default. But I recommended that you should not be every day as you want. If you want to increase the limit, then every day you don't need to send the messages, the broadcast messages to the client. Sometime it discover that your message is as a spam. So this is very important. Okay, this is the number and this is the WhatsApp API link. The message, for example, if you want to send to someone to the link you to or share the link with you on your website. On the later, I will explain you. Okay, this is the credit limit. Here you can see the WhatsApp credit. This now is the amount which we sign it, and this is the customized WhatsApp API link. Here you can create a WhatsApp API link where you can define the number, the custom message, and then you can, if you, for example, anything 663 66900, you can make as a test. And once you create a generator link, you see this is the API. This is a QR code generation. So you have to just copy the QR code or download the QR code, and you can share the link with the customer, with your customer. Okay. Now the same link, if you want to create a WhatsApp button like here, like chat with us, you want to create same thing like that one. So you have to open that link and then the page is open. You have to provide it the number, the background, and you can compare as you compare as log as per your company logo. You can make the color combination. Okay, so once that is okay, now if you move to the uh, dashboard, we finish it. Now move to the live chat. Here's the live chat. Like for example, if you are sending the broadcast message to the client, and then after sending broadcast message to the client, you will, if the customer reply back to your message, so these all the message came here. And this is the one, and if you want to request it or intervent it, so these are the messages here you can assign to someone agent as well as. So these are the history. Once the message was done, you reply to the customer, it come all the messages came in the history. Okay, these are the contacts. See, like here you can create the on your contact. Like you click on add contact. Here you meant the name, mobile number. If you have the tag option, even you can create the tag. You can even import the contact. Import contact means like as a CSV file you generate it with the name, with the mobile number, the country, city, the email, whatever you want to mention, even the tag you can define it. If you imported this, all the import contact